Nothing is worse than battery corrosion. As you can see here, this device needs a little bit of cleaning. It has so much corrosion from a battery that's just sat in there. Today, I'm going to share with you how to remove battery corrosion and make your item new without having to go to the store and buy a new one. You're going to need some Q-tips, a paper towel. Today, I'm going to be using this little screwdriver. You're also going to need some 100% lemon juice. I have a little dish right here, and I'm just going to pour some of this lemon juice into there. This is just going to make it much easier for cleaning. You're going to dip that Q-tip into that lemon juice and get it soaked up pretty good, not too wet, and you're just going to wipe it onto that corrosion. As you can see, look how good that looks already. It just takes it off so easy, so simple. You'll even see it bubbling just a little bit. And use as many Q-tips as you need. You can see that corrosion coming right off. It's so easy. I'm not even having to scrub it. We had a lot of damage on this one. As you can see, some of the battery is even flaked off on top of that. So make sure you remove that as well. You might be able to use lime juice as well if you don't have lemon juice at home. And let me know down below if you did use that lime juice, if that worked. You can also use fresh squeezed lemon juice as well. Look how much better this is looking. And after you're done cleaning it, make sure to wipe off any extra juice with a paper towel. And I hope it saved your product. Let me know down below if this worked. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.